In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for project management. Start by opening airtable.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace where all your bases live. A base is like a smart spreadsheet that holds everything for a project. You can create a new base from scratch or save time by choosing a project management template. Templates come preloaded with tables and fields you can customize, which is great if you want a quick start and best practice structure. Inside your base, set up the core tables you'll use. At a minimum, create a table for tasks. Many teams also create a separate table for projects and another for team members. Keeping these as distinct tables makes it easier to organize information cleanly and scale as your work grows. Next, add the fields your team needs to track. Common fields include task name, status, priority, due date, and owner. Use a single select field for status with options like to do, in progress, and done, so updates are consistent. Priority can be another single select field, and due date should use a date field so it appears properly on calendars. If you want clarity at a glance, consider color-coding your status or priority options for quicker scanning. With your structure in place, start creating tasks. Each row is a task. Give it a clear title, pick a status, set a priority, add a due date, and assign it to a team member. The collaborator field is helpful for assignments, and you can add notes to provide context or requirements so nothing gets lost. Use views to make the work easier to navigate. Grid view is perfect for data entry and quick edits. Switch to calendar view to see tasks by due date and spot upcoming deadlines. Kanban view organizes tasks into columns by status, which is great for stand-ups and visual progress tracking. You can filter and sort any view to focus on what matters most, like just your tasks due this week. Open any task to add comments, attachments, or quick updates. Comments keep discussions tied to the work, and attachments like briefs or screenshots ensure everything lives in one place. Make a habit of updating statuses regularly so progress is always accurate. This keeps your views trustworthy and your team aligned. When you're ready to collaborate, share the base with teammates and set appropriate permissions so people can view or edit what they need without risking accidental changes. Finally, monitor deadlines and overall completion using your calendar and Kanban views. With consistent updates, Airtable becomes a reliable source of truth for where every task and project stands.